Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Gmail account permanently. It's really simple and easy. So whether it's Gmail or Google account, it will be same. So first of all, just open up the Gmail application in your mobile. Then simply tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Tap on this Google account and simply scroll to the right and tap on this data and privacy. Now you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you can see download or delete your data, but we have to delete our account, so we have to scroll a bit more down and you can see this option delete your Google account. Just simply tap on it and now you have to tap on this continue and now you can see this window. You can download your data if you want, and if you are okay you can tap on this I understand that these accounts will be shut down. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and you can simply check these boxes and simply tap on this delete account and your Google account will be deleted permanently. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.